Hello students. In the last video, I taught you about the sentence, kinds of sentences, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence. Now I am going to teach you about imperative sentence. This one will be the second part of that video. What is imperative sentence? Generally, imperative sentence means order, request, advice. It means imperative sentence is used for giving order, request, or advice. If the definition is going to be given for this imperative sentence, we can say a sentence that expresses order, request, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. It means 3 points must be expressed by imperative sentence: order, request, advice. I am going to give example. Go from here. Go from here. This is order. Please help me. This is request. Take your medicine on time. This is advice. Advice. And I have given you 3 examples here. The first one is showing order, the second one is showing request, the third one is showing advice. Now I will tell you what is the formation of imperative sentence. Dear students, in imperative sentence, subject you is always silent. This you is always silent. Actually in Hindi tum is silent, it's why in English you is always silent. Because of this one, its formation is verb first form, object, or you can say others. Suppose object is not available, in that condition whatever parts of speech, whatever word will be there, that will be written. But this is started from verb. Why from verb? Because here you is silent. If you is going to be written, in that condition imperative sentence and simple present tense both will have same formation, same formula. But here subject you is silent, it's why verb first form, object, or others. In case object is not available, whatever other parts will be there, that will be written. Now I will tell you how many kinds are there imperative sentences. Well students, now kinds of imperative sentences. There are 3 kinds of imperative sentences as there are 3 kinds of assertive sentences. First, affirmative imperative sentence. Second, negative imperative sentence. Third, emphatic imperative sentence. These all 3 you have already learned as the kinds of assertive sentence: affirmative, negative, emphatic. All these 3 are found in the kinds of imperative sentence: affirmative imperative sentence, negative imperative sentence, emphatic imperative sentence. First, affirmative imperative sentence. What is the formation of affirmative imperative sentence? I have already told you that subject you is always silent in imperative sentence. Then what the formation will be there? Verb first form, object. If object is not available, whatever other part will be there, that will be written here. That is called others. As example, उसे बुलाओ, call him. Suppose कृपया उसे बुलाओ, in that condition for कृपया please will be written here, please call him. This can be written in this style too, call him please. Only one thing you have to focus, when please will be written in the beginning, comma will be not written after please. But when please will be written in ending, comma will be written just after object or from where please is going to be started. Now I am going to tell you negative imperative sentence. Now negative imperative sentence. Let's see its formation. At first we write do not. It can be don't to. Over first form object. If object is not there, others full stop. As example, उसे मत मारो. This one has been given, उसे मत मारो. At first we have to write do not, verb beat, object him. Do not beat him. वहां मत जाओ, go there. So like that we can say that in negative imperative sentence in Hindi, mat word is given, and for this mat we write do not, or you can say don't. One more example I am giving you. मेरे भाई को हिंदी मत पढ़ाओ. Very simple. Do not teach Hindi to my brother. One more style is there to translate this sentence. Do not teach my brother will be written. Do not teach my brother, and at last Hindi. Now the next imperative sentence, emphatic imperative sentence. Emphatic imperative sentence. Dear students, its formation is do plus verb first form, object, if object is not available, others. Once more I want to remind you from where this do has come. When I was teaching you assertive sentence, at that time I told you, for expressing emphatic sentences in assertive sentence we use do, does and did. One more thing, imperative sentence is the copy part of simple present tense, and simple present tense means do, does. Here you is hidden. I have told you that in imperative sentence you subject is always hidden, and with you always do can be written, does cannot be written. It's why for expressing emphatic sentence this do has been applied here. As example, वहां जरूर जाना. At first we will write do. After that verb first form जाना, go. Do go there. गरीबों की सहायता जरूर करना. Do help the poor. This do is for emphatic and other is as assertive. कृपया मेरे भाई के पास जरूर जाइएगा. कृपया word has been given here. It's why please will be considered here. Please. But after please for emphatic, for this jarur, do will be written. Please do go to my brother. This can be written as this style too. Do go to my brother, please. But please do go to my brother is easier than do go to my brother, please. So this is emphatic imperative sentence. Now next, explanatory sentence.